Welcome to this video presentation, a short introduction to the NATO Support and Procurement Organization and the NATO Support and Procurement Agency. After this presentation, you should be able to recall the NATO Support and Procurement Organization and the NATO Support and Procurement Agency. The NATO Support and Procurement Organization is a subsidiary body within the framework of NATO, established by the North Atlantic Council. The mission of NSPO is to provide responsive, effective, and cost-efficient acquisition, including armaments procurement, logistics, operational and system support and services to all the allies, NATO military authorities, and partner nations, individually and collectively, in the time of peace, crisis, and war, in order to maximize the ability and flexibility of the armed forces, contingents, and other relevant organizations. NSPO, Agency Supervisory Board, is the NSPO's governing body, composed of representatives of each of the 30 NATO member nations. This board is the sole entity reporting to the North Atlantic Council. It provides strategic direction and guidance to its executive body, the NATO Support and Procurement Agency, NSPA, and oversees its activities. The two permanent programs listed on the right side will be covered on the next slide. The Central Europe Pipeline System is a multi-product petroleum pipeline that extends through 5 NATO nations: Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. The Strategic Airlift Capability is a multinational program that provides assured access to strategic military airlift capability for its 12 member nations. The NATO Support and Procurement Agency, NSPA, is NATO's main service provider, delivering a broad spectrum of integrated capabilities for the alliance, its member nations, and partners. The agencies brings together NATO's logistics support and procurement activities, providing effective and cost-efficient multinational support solutions. NSPA is the customer-funded agency operating on a non-profit, non-loss basis. NSPA brings together in a single organization acquisition, logistic, medical, and infrastructural capabilities, operational and systems support and services to the NATO nations, NATO military authorities, and partners nations. As NATO's primary enabler, its mission is to provide effective and cost-efficient multinational solutions to the alliance, its 30 nations and partners. NSPA has developed considerable expertise in provision of support services in different operational theaters, contributing to the readiness of the alliance forces. The slide lists some of the support services that NSPA provides. We will in this presentation only look into real-life support services and operational logistics support partnership as examples of what NSPA can provide. The real-life support services and operational logistics support partnership is the NSPA's multinational and multifunctional support that offers fast-track access to a wide range of contracted support to military operations, missions, and exercises worldwide. We have in this presentation briefly introduced you to the NATO Support and Procurement Organization and the NATO Support and Procurement Agency. The NATO Support and Procurement Organization is a subsidiary body within the framework of the NATO, established by the North Atlantic Council. The NATO Support and Procurement Agency is NATO's main service provider, delivering a broad spectrum of integrated capabilities for the alliance, its members, and partners. Thank you for following this presentation.